All right, so I've set up the grinder now in the ID grinding mode. I've spun the headstock around to bring the grinding spindle, the ID grinding spindle, to the front, and I've mounted a magnetic chuck on here. So let's just say you had a part that you were going to stick on there and grind, some type of a ring. Now, as I was explaining earlier, here you would have oscillating. Here you could control the speed of your headstock. Now what you don't want to happen is, if I'm inside the bore now and I've got a wheel mounted on the end of this arbor and I'm down to 0, you see we're feeding. Now I could set this so that it feeds only on one side, on the outside, or in this case on the inside, or now on the outside. So you have 3 choices: to feed on both sides or just the one side. Now what you don't want to happen is to be inside of a bore and send this head back, because you're going to crash. You're going to break your wheel off inside of your bore unless you remember to move out of there first. So what they have on the top of this lever here is A for automatic, which is what we've been doing all along, or they have a I. And when you put it on I, you see that this automatically came in all by itself. So it takes that rapid approach out of the cycle so that that doesn't happen anymore. I still have my oscillation, I still have my feed here, but when I go back with this lever, only thing that's going to happen is my in-feed amount, or my stock removal, is going to back up on the hand wheel. This is not going to go back and cause a crash. What you do now is they have a special spring-loaded dog here, and now you come out of your workpiece and you can crank this back out of your way. That's the safety. So again, to show you that, we come back in between the dogs, start this going here. We start our feed here. And when we get down to 0 and spark out, this head is not going to go backwards. It's going to stay locked in the forward position. And only the hand wheel is going to back up inside your bore, the 5, 6, 7 thousandths that you just ground off. And then you have to carefully come out of the bore to a safe position. Okay, so I hope that clears things up for you a little bit. Again, this is the Kellenberger 1000U. Thank you very much.